Say when.
Alright. This is a 7 PRC. We've got it zeroed with our 180 ELDM matches. We're going to shoot and test point of impact based on this Jackalope suppressor.
What brand of rifle is that?
This is a Peterson rifle.
Well, if he's gonna do it, I'm gonna do it.
Which dot?
Fourth one. Fifth one from the right.
Where'd you shoot?
Fifth one from the right.
There's no shift
On the
really.
bottom. No.
I'm sorry, one more time.
It's in the bullseye.
It's in the bullseye. How big's that bullseye?
1 inch.
1 inch bullseye.
It's probably just a hair less than an inch, but close enough. Same hole.
No ear pro. Under an awning outside.
Yeah, just a hair lower, but you're there.
Yeah. So our point of impact shifted a little less than a half minute.
So, would you even re-zero or have a different zero with this rifle?
I know I wouldn't. It's good enough. Good enough. It'll get the job
So
done.
it's within half a minute easily, huh?
Easily. Yeah.
Nice. How'd it feel to your ears shooting under an awning outside with a 7 PRC?
Made no difference. Sounds good.
Cool.